we have a certain standard. We want to, of course, live a nice life, but not a life of luxury. You just want to be free to do what you feel is your vocation. And it already mentioned the last time we were here. Then I found a place where they are all communists in this sense. Interrupt me or cut me out if I already mentioned it. Now my favorite place, newly discovered in the world, you know which is, it's not the smallest, but it's maybe the smallest inhabited island, which is really alone. Like the nearest inhabited islands from this island is St. Helena, where Napoleon was imprisoned. It's over 1,000 miles away. It's in southern Atlantic, Tristan da Cunha. You know how people there live? Check it on Wikipedia or what. It's a small island, no airport, just a boat reaches it maybe once, twice a month. And around 200, 60, 70 people live there. Modest but nice life. They don't own any land. It's collectively owned just at the beginning of each season. They said you will work this part, that part, they help each other and so on. They have very little contact with outside world. And this is happening today. Now you will say, of course, they must be idiots isolated there. Now comes the true wonder. In the year 1961, I think, there was some earthquake or volcanic eruption, whatever there. So the British government, and the island is under their protection, moved all the people for 2 years back to England. And then after 2 years, the situation got normalized. Now comes the shock. You know that except 2 people who there fell in love, were seduced by city life, all of them returned. They were returned to Tristan da Cunha. They were so identified by this.